Enjoying freshly baked muffins for breakfast quickly became my favorite back-to-school tradition. But muffins aren't known for being high in protein or fiber, two key nutrients that guarantee a good start to your day. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to enjoy a wholesome and scrumptious muffin-inspired oatmeal from scratch. Lemon poppy seed oatmeal. To begin, bring 2 1/4 cups of Ripple unsweetened milk to a boil in a saucepan over medium-high heat. Then reduce heat to medium. Ripple unsweetened plant-based milk contains 8 grams of protein and 0 added sugar. Once it's reduced, stir in 1 cup of Hy-Vee old-fashioned oats, 2 teaspoons of lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, a half teaspoon of Hy-Vee ground ginger, a 4th teaspoon of finely ground sea salt, and a 4th teaspoon of Hy-Vee ground cinnamon. Cook this for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, or until the liquid is absorbed and oats are softened. Studies show that kids who eat breakfast are more likely to test higher in school and have healthier body weights than non-breakfast eaters. To serve, spoon the oatmeal into individual bowls. Top them with a half cup of fresh raspberries, a half cup of fresh blueberries, a 4th cup of Hy-Vee natural sliced almonds, and a 4th cup of no sugar added white chocolate baking chips. Garnish with additional lemon zest and poppy seeds if desired, and serve with a glass of milk and 100% pure maple syrup for a little sweet kick. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com, and for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, join our Hy-Vee Healthy You subscription for a customized plan that works with your lifestyle.